Hello, this is Lisa 1. She is our luxury support boat. Oh, that's right, she's luxury. Woo, woo, woo. So, this is Lisa 1. As I said in the intro, she's our luxury support boat and probably my favourite boat in the whole fleet because I use her the most. And in this video, I'm going to give you a little walkthrough and show you all the stunning features of Lisa 1. Let's go! Come on! Now, you may have heard of a fly bridge where the captain sits at the top of his yacht and he can see the open ocean. Well, this is Lisa 1's not fly bridge, but this is where the captain sits. Generally me. And not only that, it's got a steering wheel and it's got a gear sticker. You push it forward, you go forward, you push it back, you go backwards. But not only that, if you want to get a little bit more height, then you can sit up. Look at that! Luxury for the captain. Woohoo! So, I know what you're thinking. Well, if the captain sits there, what about the power behind? Well, this is it. It's a Suzuki 90 horsepower engine. That's right. There's 90 horses in there. That's a lot of horses in the beautiful white Suzuki engines. That's right. They don't just do motorbikes, they do marine engines too. 90 horses. It's a lot of horses. Oh, while I'm here, there's also, look, a ladder that extends. Look at that. You don't get that on many boats, do you? It's luxury, that is. It's a luxury ladder. It's quite noisy too. Ah, there you go. That's the engine bit. 90 horses. Oh, what's that? You're out on a support boat and you're a bit hungry and you need to get some food. Well, luckily, there's fishing poles here. I'm not sure how they work because there's a roof above, but if you've got a short fishing pole, you can put them here. That's right. So while we're supporting, you've got luxury fishing too. Yay! Now, I bet you're thinking, well, while the captain's driving, where do the other people sit? Well, there's a huge luxury foredeck at the front here. You can spread out, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Just make sure you wear reef-safe sun cream and a hat, because it's quite hot. But that isn't the only position up here on the foredeck. There's another one, which I'm going to show you now. This boat's luxury. There, see? You got a throne, so if you don't want to lie down, you can just sit on your throne and watch the world go by like you were at the front, making sure you still got reef-safe sun cream and a hat. But you can also talk to the driver behind me like I am. Hi, Jay. How are you? Hello, Jay. Oh, good to see you. Keep driving, Captain. Woo woo. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking all luxury boats have luxury toilets. And Lisa 1, our support boat, also has a luxury toilet. Do you want to see it? Okay, here we go. Oh. There you go, luxury toilet. That's right. So, I know what you're thinking. How many people can you get on our support boat, Lisa 1? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 5. Just a small safety note. Position 5 was not a real position. That was just me having fun, and we do not recommend you standing on the side of Lisa 1. Lisa 1, our 6-meter rib luxury support boat, not for hire. It's Jay Leshark's favorite boat. As you can see, he even sings on it. Listen up, here's a story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is... Lisa 1, she's beautiful. Hey, that's a good voiceover, that wasn't it? I did that, and then Miguel put some clips in to make it look cool. Nice, isn't it? Lisa 1, our luxury 6-meter rib support boat. Not for hire, but I do use it a lot. And plus, if we have to take out barbecues or we have to transfer staff, or we do movies on this boat as well. We don't actually do movies on this boat, but we use it in the movies that we do. Got it? Good. There you go. Lisa 1, our luxury 6-metre support boat. That's it. What a great walkthrough video. Thanks. Woo woo!